Howdy. So for you CFMOTO 300NK purchasers, I am just showing you some of the things that will fit and work on the new CFMOTO bike. What we see here is the Nelson-Rigg Commuter series tail bag, and this is the Sport, which is a medium of the three. I believe there's a can't remember what they're called, but this is the Sport one in the middle. It is a nice bag, nice capacity. You can see that, you know, looks like a trunk. Now in the bag, you can fit quite a few things. In this case, you can see I've got a couple of quarts of Yamalube. Got a liner for my motorcycle jacket. I've got a filter, water pad, and some various multiplier sort of things. So this is unexpanded, and it is a rounded top, so I keep a hat and other things, sunglasses, things I don't want to be compressed too much in there. And of note, that is without the bag being expanded. There is, of course, an expansion area. So I'll get this back in here, which gives you another expansion of a couple of inches, it looks like. So it has worked out very well for the past week or so, and I will pause and then show you how I attach this a little differently than what Nelson-Rigg was suggesting. Okay, so Nelson-Rigg suggests that you tie a knot in two of the cords basically and mount it to the seat, and then you put the seat on. However, I want to be able to take it, it felt a little bit not as secure to me. So right now, the way this works is I've got these 4 clips, which is what it would look like if you did it the regular way. And then this is the seat. So to release the seat, pull this up. And pull this out. Okay, so what I have done here is that I have, instead of tying them together, I have secured them to the rails and then tucked the excess cord along the sides. So now, when I don't want to have it, I just tuck all this in and I put the seat back on. And done. So instead of having to wrangle those straps and move them around each time, they're secured in there, and there is enough space to, of course, stow them. So now, in order to use the bag, I'll just take my 4 spots, bring them out, one-handed. All right, and now we're good to go. You can stick the bag back on, clamp it in. Okay, so clamp back in. Bag is nice and tight. I'm probably eliminating a little space by compressing the bottom with the tightness, but I like to make sure it's pretty secure. It also actually works pretty well as a little lumbar support. I don't know that I'd use it as a backrest, but it certainly gives you just that little bit of comfort on the backside.